I'm Peanut. Today let's find out what are some good values to live by. One such good habit would be to help your mom with gardening. It would even be good for your little leafy friends. Mother Nature holds so many treasures. Why don't you take some time out today to spend some time observing nature? Have some extra toys lying at home? Remember to be generous and give your extra toys to a needy child. If you ever find wallets or other valuables, be sure to submit those to the Lost and Found box. Sometimes, why don't you surprise your mom by preparing a simple breakfast? However, be careful while preparing the breakfast. It's always nice to share your food with your friend. Remember to pray with your family before going to sleep. Or at least take some time out to express gratitude for the things that you have. It's always a good practice to offer your seat to a pregnant lady or an elderly person. Why don't you help your mom today to organize your toys? Always be there to console your sad friend. Hold the door for an elderly person as a sign of good manners. Compassion is a great virtue, so always remember to be compassionate and help to feed the stray animals. Go ahead and help your sibling to carry boxes. Help to push a wheelchair for an elderly person. Go ahead and help an elderly lady cross the road. And that brings us to the end of our topic for the day. Now you are aware of some good values in life. Thank you so much for joining me today. And in the meantime, to join us on our other fun adventures, be sure to check out our other videos on our channel. You can find the links in the description box below. Bye bye for now. See you soon. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.